To integrate Uniswap SDK into your application, start by understanding the basics of Uniswap and the SDK. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to swap tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The Uniswap SDK is a software development kit that provides a set of tools and libraries to interact with the Uniswap protocol. First, install the Uniswap SDK using npm or yarn by running the command npm install Uniswap SDK or yarn. Add Uniswap SDK. This will install the necessary dependencies and libraries to use the Uniswap SDK in your application. Next, import the Uniswap SDK into your project by adding the line import Uniswap from Uniswap SDK at the top of your code file. This will allow you to use the Uniswap SDK functions and classes in your application. To use the Uniswap SDK, you need to create a new instance of the Uniswap class and pass in the Ethereum provider and the chain ID as arguments. For example, const Uniswap equals new Uniswap window Ethereum 1 will create a new instance of the Uniswap class using the Ethereum provider from the MetaMask browser extension and the Ethereum mainnet chain ID. Once you have created a new instance of the Uniswap class, you can use the SDK to fetch token prices, get token balances, and execute trades. For example, you can use the getPair function to fetch the price of a token pair, such as ETH, DAI, by calling Uniswap getPair ETH address, DAI address. To execute a trade, you need to create a new transaction and sign it with the user's private key. The Uniswap SDK provides a function called createTrade to create a new transaction, and the function signTransaction to sign the transaction with the user's private key. Best practices for integrating the Uniswap SDK include handling errors and exceptions properly, using a secure and trusted Ethereum provider, and testing your application thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Additionally, make sure to follow the Uniswap protocol guidelines and terms of service to avoid any issues or penalties. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate the Uniswap SDK into your application and provide a seamless trading experience for your users. The Uniswap SDK is a powerful tool that enables you to build complex decentralized applications. And with the right guidance and expertise, you can unlock its full potential and create innovative and user-friendly applications.